So you want to create a System.io email campaign, but you don't know where to start. We've all been there, but after this video that won't ever happen to you again, because in this video I'm going to show you how to create an email campaign using System.io within just 10 minutes. Hello there, my name is Thomas and I make videos about online side hustles and business related stuff and the tools that you need for it. Today I'm going to share my simple method on how to set up an email campaign in System.io. And after this video, you'll be able to create so many email campaigns in so little time that you'll feel like you're the Flash. Before we begin, if you don't already have a System.io account, then you will want to create one, and you can use the link in the description down below. And then return to this video. Hey, you're back. Create your campaign, name it and select your sender email address. And now this looks nice, but we don't have any emails yet. And if you stick with me, I'm going to give you a couple of tips that will speed up your work process even more. Did you know that a common rule is for every contact that's on your list, per month you will be able to make $1. That means that if you have 3,000 contacts on your email list, you should be able to make $3,000 a month if you're doing it the right way. So what would a good email sequence look like? I'm going to share a simple 10 email sequence with you that you can use for your email campaign. Now this is not by any means a standard, but this is something that you can take a look at and just take the emails out that you don't want to use. But before this, if you want to elevate your System.io experience after this video, then I've got something special for you that you can visit via the first link in the description box down below. The first email, the main one, is where you are going to deliver your lead magnet, thank them for signing up, and tell them why they are there and what to expect. And in a minute I'm going to show you how to write emails that will not end up in the spam folder, so be sure to stick with me. Email 2 is to state their problem. Email 3 is to give empathy and just tell a little bit of a story about yourself. Then introduce your solution. Now this can be your product, an affiliate product that you are promoting, or maybe you are selling something yourself. Then why you pick this product, or why your product is better than other products on the market. Give them proof, reviews, testimonials, every bit of proof that you can add is a bonus. Then overcome their objections. So what would be the biggest obstacles to stop them from buying your product? Then just tell them what they're going to get and give them a couple of extra bonuses. Then we get to scarcity. Let them know that your product is going away soon or that spots are going to be filled soon, and then send out another email to do the same. Now this is just a simple email sequence, but you can copy this one exactly. And if you want to read the entire guide that has this email sequence, then you can find this down below. Now if you want to make sure that your emails never end up in the spam folder, then you need to check them before you are sending them out. And now I have 3 things that you should do, and here are the first 2. The first one is your email subject line tester. So if I test a subject, it is going to give me a score right here. But what I am more interested in is if I scroll down, it's going to show me some potentially spammy words found. So replace money and here in your subject, some bad tap words, click. And these are basically some words that a spam filter might filter out as a spam email. Now I will link this and the other tool in the description box down below as well. And this is the spam checker from MailMeteor. Basically, whenever I'm writing an email, I'm writing it in here, and this will show me right here if I am writing any spam words. It is just a good way to make sure that you are not ending up in that spam folder. So now that we know what emails to create, we can create our email campaign. You can use the classical editor, but I like to use the visual editor. And if you use the classical editor, the only thing that you need to do is to write the email. So I always get rid of the background color and basically just get rid of every single element that's in the template. Then I'll start by adding a section and text. I will widen up the content area, and you can do this how much you'd like. But the main reason that I'm using the visual editor is because it is just much easier to add any images in case I want to. So I'll be able to add a little bit of text right here, then add an image, and then just add some more text right here. You can change the font. So this is of course not the email that you are going to write, but that's not what this video is about. So here you have the lead magnet you ask for. You can select this, click on the link icon right here, and then just add the URL right here. Click on save, and now you can add your lead magnet in case it is a link to this email. If you want to, you can also just choose replacements like a first name in case you ask for their first name on the form. I don't really use that a lot. So in case you don't send out a link, what you want to do is click on add an attachment right here, and you can add an attachment like an ebook or whatever it is you're giving out. So now for the third method to check your email, this. So you go right here and click on save and test. Then you will need to enter the email that you want to send it to, but you will first need to confirm that email address to be used for System.io. Right here, this is the email that we have just sent. Right here, you can view my name, my email address, the subject line, the email, and if I click right here on this link, it will send me to the link that we added to the email. If you want, you can also add a preview. So your secret lead magnet inside. And this will show up right here before the email text starts. If we want to publish our email, we will click on save and publish. First one is always 0 days, for me at least. And now I'm going to show you how to speed up this entire process. And I'm also going to show you how to automate your entire email campaign. So once it has been set up once, you will never have to worry about it ever again. But first, if you visit the first link in the description box down below, you will be able to elevate your System.io account, but you will also receive 20 Make Money Online and business courses from me as a bonus. All you need to do is follow these simple instructions on that page. So to speed up your entire process, once you have created an email that you like the structure of, what you want to do is you want to go to the triple dots and click on duplicate. And right now you can just add the second email and you can create it like you did before. And if I click on save and publish, again, I will choose the first email and I will be sending this out. If we take a look at the email sequence, day 2, so 1 day after the first email, activate. And if we go back to the keto recipes email campaign, you will see first this email will be sent, then this email will be sent 1 day after, and you can add how many emails you'd like. Also, something that you could do is, because unfortunately you can't create templates on System.io. So I basically have an email campaign template with just one email that I like the layout of, so I don't have to delete the entire template every time. This just saves me time and effort. Now, if you want to make sure that everything is fully automated, you need to go to your automation rules, click on create and set a trigger. So the trigger will be a funnel step form subscribed for me, and it is going to be the funnel of the 20 keto recipes. Then the action will be to subscribe to the campaign of 20 keto recipes. This means that if they sign up on the funnel, then they will be automatically added to the email campaign. And once this has been set up, you will never have to look at it ever again. I would recommend you do, but in theory, you won't need to. Why did I say that so weird? Theory. Now you should know how to create an email campaign. But if you want to be able to use System.io completely, then you can watch my A to Z tutorial about System.io right here. But for now, till next time.